Yeah, we're here, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. From the last vlog you'd have seen, we left Panama. We are now in Dominican Republic. We're in Santo Domingo. We just landed, literally. So we're going through security. You know, we want to change out some money because oh yeah, that's it. Perfect. We're gonna change out some as they use pesos here, Dominican pesos. So, all right, guys. So we got our bags. Hola. Just getting my name. Hi. Nice to meet you. We're here, guys. ¿Tú hablas inglés? Un poco. Oh, SIM card. We wanted to get a for the phone. We are here. Okay, guys, so we are here. This is gonna be our home for the next 6 nights. This is Grand Europa Hotel in ZONA Colonial, Santo Domingo. So we're here. We're just checking in now. Okay, so guys, we checked into the hotel and we decided to get some food. What's the name of this place, Papa? I don't know the name of the place. I guess when I find it out, I'll write it on the screen. But we're literally on like a place where there's like a lot of different cafes and so forth. So we just found one and decided to sit and eat. So I ordered a what did I order? Paella. I ordered a paella, but they serve it for 2, so I have to get one for 1 person. And then Hakeem got something else. I don't even know. I don't remember, but yeah, so that's what we're getting. We're just getting some food, and I'll show you guys what we got. I'm so hot. Okay, so this is what I got. This is a paella with shrimp and mussel, seafood paella. And then Bob got some little appetizer burgers. Alright, so guys, found this cute little place as well, Sanya's Waffles. So we're just gonna grab some waffles here. It smells nice. Okay guys, so this is where we're staying. Right, so we put the key right there, and then this is the room. So let's start this way because I turn right. This is me. This is the closet with a good amount of space. Need to pack out some stuff because yeah, I don't want them crush up. This is the bed. We have 2 huge windows that open up and we can see outside, and we got an upgrade because it's our anniversary. So yeah, the windows are huge, like from ceiling to floor, they're huge. So yeah, the room we had before didn't have any windows, and I was like, no, because that's not what I had requested. It was a slight mix up, but they were so quick and fast to like fix it for us. So this is the bathroom. The mirror, huge. Hi. And then the shower, that open concept type of shower without the door, and the rain shower head, towels, and that's pretty much our room. So we're staying at Grand Hotel Europa. Oh, the TV as well. Grand Hotel Europa for 6 nights. Time to... You literally turned on a football behind me. Yeah, so it's pretty, like, look at this light bulb. Look how much light. And then, woo! Okay, so guys, this is the waffle that I got from the place we just went to. Bob's got the Oreo one. It's over there. I just thought I'd share with you. This is what I got. So I'm gonna eat this now. This is my dessert, and then I think we're gonna get some rest because we've been up since 4 o'clock, honestly. So we definitely need to get some rest. I just love how bright this room is. It just makes you so much more happy and just like, you know. Hey guys, so we had a little nap. Well, I had a nap, and now we're gonna go and have a little walk and get like a quick little snack to eat or something, but you know, because we're not hugely hungry. Gorgeous, yeah. This is where we are. It's really pretty. Yeah, we're in the center of the city with my passion fruit juice, which tastes so good. Yeah, guys, we're just having
so Kim slept and woke up hungry as usual. I just expect to if there's no food, I know that alright, I should get some food.
We need to get some food.
It's now 9 o'clock. It's now 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock BR time because we're an hour ahead. Alright guys, so this is what I got. I got a grilled cheese sandwich and some chips. Bob got a pumpkin soup. And this is what we're gonna have for dinner. Morning everybody. Well, I'm watching Love is Blind Brazil. So we need to just go and get some food to eat and explore Santo Domingo. But yeah, this place is really nice so far and people are really friendly. We're just kind of going with the flow. We planned this trip ourselves. We're going to just enjoy this day. Tomorrow we have a tour, so I'm going to be showing you guys the tour for sure. Okay guys, so we are ready to go outside. We are going to go and get some lunch. It's now a little bit to 1 p.m. so we really were chilling inside because we've been tired. But we were also waiting for the sun to go down a little bit because it was like bright this morning, as you guys could have seen. So we're off. Okay, so guys, our hotel is up. That's right there. We're just walking along now. So many birds. Hi, birdies. Our food. So we just got appetizers so we can share and experience different tastes. What is this again? This is bombones de yuca. It's cheddar cheese yuca croquettes. And then we have lo pastele, plantain and beef pockets. But this is chicken. We got chicken instead. And then this is the house sausage accompanied by coleslaw and sweet potato fries. Okay, so guys, we just wrapped up and plans changed. We decided to go on this train. It's the choo-choo. It's this tour here. The pastor gave us a ticket, so it's gonna carry us around Zona Colonial for 45 minutes, showing us the sights. So 500 pesos per person. So we're like, why not? This is the train. It's kind of cute. So this is the route that they go all around. Yeah. Yeah. And they're happy with your beer. This should be cute. So we're planning to do the bikes, but we're like, this might show us around a little bit better. Alright, Bob?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will give us like a little, you know, look around the place, and then we can get a little more comfortable with the lay of the land, and then we can zoom all around the place, the bikes and bicycles and whatever.
Here on our right is the French Hotel, and on the left, the Mexican Embassy. Both during the period when the French governed the territory. The chairs in the vault behind the altar. He is credited as having found an urn made of lead with the name and remains of Admiral Christopher Columbus. The island was ceded to France in 1795. In this way, the Admiral's wish was fulfilled, to be laid to rest in the land he loved best, and according to him, the most beautiful land that human eyes had ever seen.
Oh my god.
It is said that the
Guys, we need to come back here and look.
in order. On the right, this enormous space is the Spanish Plaza, El Conde, Street of the Count, an important and traditional commercial center.
It's really nice to see that they,
Historical.
yeah,
Yeah.
they really preserve the buildings.
The first in layers and stone pavement, the most stone.
Pesos for you.
Over 100.
Okay.
Yeah, discount.
You know
I
what?
tell him, I
You
tell
be
him.
white.
We're family.
What's my question? What is it?
Come on.
It's a man? Will my mother like this? Mommy, will you like this? Yes.
We're walking with this guy. Gets a lot of attention because
Hola, hola, hola.
because there was this one vendor that was saying he thought he was from here, so if he didn't talk. Dinner time. We're matching. Matching. Hola. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're trying to find a place, but like it's like super busy tonight. So much people. So we are here just waiting to see if we can get a table. Yeah. This is what we do, guys, when we don't know what it is on the menu. Google Translate. So this is where we are. This is, I think I'm gonna get this. No, I'm gonna get this, and passion fruit juice. So yeah, we got seated inside. You can see it's pretty lively in here, but it's really a nice vibe with the brick, exposed brick. Yeah, and it's cool in here. Like it's not hot at all. Oh, that's gonna be good. So we got pasta, lasagna. That's good. Wow, pretty pink. Just walking around, guys. We're off to see a concert or catch a little bit of a concert, but we just decided to walk around a little bit. I swear, the Santo Domingo nights are festive.
Next time on our anniversary series,